if you own a second-gen Dodge truck like me, you're probably well aware that the door latch mounting is about as durable as the dash is. These things just seem to fall apart, and I've seen every imaginable solution for this, some of which you're about to see, but I've found what is potentially the nicest and neatest solution. Dorman makes this kit. I bought these, put them on my other red truck that you've already seen. This is my purple truck, and this door has a severely damaged latch area. Let me show you this up close, and then how we're going to fix it with this kit that I bought. Here's our latch, and as you can see, there's a big flat washer that has been ground down here, and our mounting areas here and here have just been mangled. This one's ripped all the way through. Like that one is probably needs to get pulled over. Well, anyways, this kit comes with this plate which goes over all of that and then has screws that go in further out to reinforce everything. And I'm going to show you just how easy it is to put this thing on and get a much better functioning latch at a pretty reasonable price. Now, what we're supposed to do is remove this screw first, the one that is completely ripped through. And I'm not sure how I'm going to get that out because of the condition of how it is. Maybe if I crack these two loose, I can get this thing to pivot in the door enough to sneak its way out. There we go. All right. Now, the kit comes with all new hardware that is slightly longer in order to accommodate the extra width of this plate. So now what we're going to do, put this plate on somewhat sideways, start this bolt back in so that it will hold our latch in place. Now we're going to pull these two out. And the reason we're doing this in this order is so that we don't end up losing this entire latch down into the door. But we pull these two out. Then we can rotate this and put these two back in to hold our latch in place. So our upper hole here, we put this little zip screw in that they include. They say that this doesn't fit the extended cab trucks on Dorman's website, but it does. These holes don't really line up. It doesn't hit anything, at least on my truck, but there's a gap here. So we can't really put those zip screws in. So I'm going to do a little bit of massaging and get this to line up. We'll put these zip screws in down here now. All right, that should hold it. Now let's see how it shuts. I mean, that's not bad. It's not a perfect fix, but it prevents this latch from getting any worse, and hopefully will save my door for a little while. So I'm going to go ahead and let's get this done on the passenger side too. Hopefully my latches will last a little bit longer on this old truck and we'll be able to keep on driving it for a little bit longer. But that should be everything you need to know in order to reinforce the latches on your second gen Dodge truck. Hopefully this has been helpful. Everything you need to do this is linked in the description as well as in the top pinned comment. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching.